Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack
slow.
with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now, y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember, you're discreet out. Get ready for defeat now, I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and weed out all the weak now. Get up and make a change, don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave, cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change, everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name, huh?
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. March until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. March until it's over.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless, while others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts and I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward good shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society, you swing and miss, and honestly I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit, bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss, be a legend not a myth. Yeah, it's obnoxious that I'm conscious, rapping honest as promise. Try to harness, as an artist, stay modest. It's a long quest, I will not quit till 10,000 people going off. When I drop this, I gotta make it now. Swear to God I'm breaking out, swear to God I'll take a bow. Stand the stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud, saying modest but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt,
Just like
yeah.
a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over.
Sitting on my porch swing, waiting on that sunset to hear the coyotes sing. But in the meantime, it's the same routine. Sweet tea in my beat up jeans. Charlie Bonus on the 6-string, picking a tune. Tracy Stone's doing his thing, skinning a coon. Dogs on the porch laid out by my feet, and everybody's head starts bobbing to the beat. Cars drive by looking at us kinda funny. Just some old poor junkies ain't got no money. Crops in the backyard, backyard chickens in the front, slingshot shooting beer cans off that stump, and the black smoke coming from the smoker. Dinner time's close, yesterday's hide hanging right on the post. Kick back, rocking chair, yeah, we keep it funky, and that's the definition of an old porch honky.
Porch honky, I've been known to sit on my porch all day long. Porch honky in my swing, and I ain't worried about anything. Porch honky, all I need's a big old glass of cold sweet tea. Porch honky, doing fine, living life one day at a time. 1, 2, 3. One day at a time.
Hanging out, I ain't gotta do a damn thing but sit right here all day on my porch swing. Drink a few, take a chew, kick it with my homies. Might get drunk and start acting like a donkey. Moccasins and creep, feet bare like my pockets. Connor's on the porch and he's shooting bottle rockets. CB3's humming us a brand new song. He said, yeah, it won't be long until we wake up in the morning and we do it again. Yeah, we're front porch cooling, roof covered in tin. The sun is beating down on my cowboy hat. My voice is getting hoarse, my beer is never flat. I'm looking for my rifle, I found my 45. I raised it in the air, shot it high in the sky. Nobody asked why, they just looked and grinned. Yeah, them old porch homies, man, they're at it again.
Porch honky, I've been known to sit on my porch all day long. Porch honky in my swing, and I ain't worried about anything. Porch honky, all I need's a big old glass of cold sweet tea. Porch honky, doing fine, living life one day at a time. One day at a time. Porch honky, doing fine, living life one day at a time. One day at a time.
Cause I ain't never done a whole lot of shit talking. I earned my stripes and I keep walking. Bruise my face, you can call that flossing. For any punk bitch that wanna try to come cross me. Cause I ain't never done a whole lot of shit talking. I earned my stripes and I keep walking. Bruise my face, you can call that flossing. For any punk bitch that wanna try to come cross
They say the louder the bark, the softer the bite. And that happens all the time, and I ain't talking tonight. See, I'm talking for life, I just keep walking for spite. But you talking too hard, so I ain't walking tonight. You're telling all your folks you don't look country to me. You feeling lucky, little buddy, gon' touch me and see. City wasn't raised right, little badass children. So come here and get this Racket County ass whipping.
There's plenty room to show me what you're feeling. So get it off your chest so I can go back to chilling. And I don't know why you insist on talking shit, son. Let's get this scrapping, quit your yapping, come and get some. See, talking lets me know that you a fake. Showing up for your friends, it might have been a big mistake. Little lesson to learn, to keep your eyes on the man with a lick. You keep on asking for a bra, and it's what you gonna get.
Cause I ain't never done a whole lot of shit talking. I earned my stripes and I keep walking. Bruise my face, you can call that flossing. For any punk bitch that wanna try to come cross me. Cause I ain't never done a whole lot of shit talking. I earned my stripes and I keep walking. Bruise my face, you can call that flossing. For any punk bitch that wanna try to come cross me.
I've tried hard to keep peaceful tendencies, but your level of respect will grow eventually to enemies. I hear all them snake side conversations, but I'm broke and desperate, and that's the wrong combination. I'm starting to realize that it stems from fear, cause it's crystal clear you getting nervous, we here. I hear your whole agenda
situation will be different if you left out pride. We can handle this like gentlemen or step outside. Cause I am not the one you ever wanna try to threaten. I get to a point where talking will be out of the question. You think that I'm kidding? Bitch, you say a thing, I'ma hit 'em. You talking bunny cause you got a little drink in your system. Believe me, I'm with it, I'm quicker, you won't see that I did it. The minute you step out of line and I'ma put you back in it. I thought I ain't never done a whole lot of shit talking. I earned my strikes and I keep walking. Bruise my face, you can call that flaws. If any punk bitch you wanna try to come cross me. I ain't never done a whole lot of shit talking. I earned my strikes and I keep walking. Bruise my face, you can call that flaws. If any punk bitch you wanna try to come cross me.
Don't do it, take a moment to think on it. You still want it, then buddy, you can bank on it. I'ma give it to you sure as the sun will rise. To make a long story short, let me summarize. Crossing me brings consequences and repercussions. I hope you comprehend English, I'm not speaking Russian. I'm not speaking Spanish, let's see how you manage. Talking shit while eating on this knuckle sandwich.
Damn it, boy, them suckers are bumping gums again. But they don't walk that walk, it must be fun to them. No, sir, I wasn't raised that way. 100% grown man, I don't play no games. Nah, that shit talking is a character flaw. They ever push me to the point, I swear I bury them all. And they don't wanna see that lead fly. Cause we live by the code, man, it's eye for an eye. Come on.
I ain't never done a whole lot of shit talking. I earned my strikes and I keep walking. Bruise my face, you can call that flaws. If any punk bitch you wanna try to come cross me. I ain't never done a whole lot of shit talking. I earned my stripes and I keep walking. Bruise my face, you can call that flaws. If any punk bitch you wanna try to come cross me. I ain't never done a whole lot of shit talking. I earned my stripes and I keep walking. Bruise my face, you can call that flaws. And for any punk bitch you wanna try to come cross me. I ain't never done a whole lot of shit talking.